Hello kids, welcome to the online classes. Before starting that one, let's do the prayer, okay? All of you join your hands and close your eyes. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. In the previous class we have learnt about weather, how many weathers we have, that one we have seen in the previous class. Okay, today we are going to see about seasons. What we are going to see today, we are going to see about seasons. How many seasons we have? We have 3 seasons. We have 3 seasons. First one is summer season, second rainy season, then winter season. How many seasons we have? 3 seasons. Summer, rainy and winter. Summer, rainy and winter seasons we have. In summer season, what we do? In summer season, the weather is too sunny. It is very hot. We will get sweat. Okay. In summer season, what it will be? Too sunny and it is very hot. Weather is very hot. We'll get sweat very much in the summer season. Okay. Next, one more thing. What we eat in the summer season? Kids, we eat ice creams. We drink more water. We'll drink. That is cold water. We'll drink, and we'll drink fresh juices. Also, we'll drink in the summer season. What we do? We eat ice creams. We'll drink juice, and we'll drink more water in the summer season because we'll get very thirsty in summer season due to the weather. It was sunny. Due to the weather is sunny. Okay. Next is rainy season. In second rainy season, what we will get? In rainy season, we will get rain. So, in that season, it will be rainy and the clouds will be cloudy. Clouds will be cloudy. The sky will be cloudy. Okay. And the weather will be very warm. Okay. Very pleasant. At that time, we get flowers will bloom in the rainy season. Okay. What we do in rainy season? We'll play, right? We'll make a paper boat and we'll play in the rainwater, right, kids? That is rainy season. And what are the things we use in the rainy season? We use umbrella. We use raincoats. Okay. In rainy season, what we use? We use umbrella and we wear raincoats. Okay. Then third is winter season. Winter season is very cold. Winter season is very cold. Okay, the weather is very good. Okay, in winter season, we'll feel very cold in the winter season. What we wear in the winter season? We wear, okay, sorry, I forgot to tell what are the food items in the rainy season. We eat corn cobs. Corn cobs means corn cobs we'll eat. We'll drink hot milk and all. We'll drink in the rainy season. Okay, and gava also we'll get in the rainy season. Okay, next is winter season. In winter season, what we do, kids, in winter season, the weather is very cold. So, we wear sweaters, gloves and socks. We wear woolen caps. Okay, what we wear? We wear sweaters, woolen caps, gloves for hands and socks for legs. Okay, we'll wear these clothes. And what are the things we eat and drink? We eat hot soups we can drink, and we can drink hot milk, hot food we'll eat in the winter season because the weather is very cold. So we eat things which are hot, we'll eat. Okay, and we'll wear sweaters and all. Okay, in summer season we wear caps for preventing from the sun because it is too hot, right? We'll wear caps in the summer season. We wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Okay, kids? Okay, we have seen 3 seasons, that is summer season, rainy season and winter season. Now we are going to see in the reader what they have given. Okay, let's see. Okay, kids, it is seasons. S-E-A-S-O-N-S. Seasons. What we have? S-E-A-S-O-N-S. Seasons. See here. What is this? This is a summer season. See, by the picture only you can identify. It is sunny. The weather is sunny. So, the boy is drinking juice. So, it is very sunny. We wear cotton clothes in summer. What we wear? We wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Okay, cotton clothes we have to wear. And we have to wear cap also to prevent from the sun. Okay, next, cotton clothes keep us cool. By wearing cotton clothes, clothes will keep us cool, because we will get sweaty. If we wear cotton clothes, we won't get that much sweat. Okay, next, we drink more water. What we drink? We drink more water in the summer season, because we will get more thirsty. Okay. We can also have fresh fruit juice. We can also drink fresh fruit juice, and we can also have ice cream also. But we should eat less ice creams, because we will get cold, right? That's why. Okay. Next is rainy season. What is this? This is rainy season. What this boy is wearing? Raincoat. This girl is holding an umbrella to prevent from the rain. Okay, this boy is wearing a raincoat. The girl is holding an umbrella to prevent from the rain. Okay, we wear raincoats and gum boots to protect us from the rain. What we wear? We wear raincoats and use umbrella and wear gum boots. These are gum boots to prevent from the rain. We'll get wet, right, by rain. So we have to wear this one. We will be prevented from the rain. Okay, protect. And then we also use umbrellas. We also use umbrellas. Okay, we also use umbrellas in the rainy season. Next is winter season. What we wear? We wear woolen clothes in the winter. What we wear? We wear woolen clothes. We will wear woolen sweaters and woolen caps. We'll wear it, that one. Then woolen clothes keep us warm. What? Woolen clothes keep us warm. If we wear woolen sweaters and caps, we will be feeling warm from the cold. Okay. This is a snowman. The boy is wearing woolen cap and woolen sweater. Okay. This is a muffler also. Okay. In the winter season, some places we will get snow also. Okay. This is about 3 seasons. Summer season, rainy season and winter season. Okay kids, we have one more activity in the reader. Find the things that can be used in the given seasons. They are given 3 seasons, that is summer, rainy and winter season they have given. You have to go to your clothes, what we wear in the seasons, that particular seasons. We wear sunny in the summer season, we wear cotton clothes. In rainy season we wear raincoat, and in winter season we wear cap. So you have to go to the, okay, sorry, this is a sweater, I guess. Kids, this is a sweater, this is a cap and this is a raincoat. So you have to go to the you have to go to the summer season goes to cap. Where is the cap? You have to go there. Okay kids, see here, this is a cap, so you have to go here. Okay, then next rainy season and winter season you have to do it in your home kids. This is your homework. This is an activity, you have to do it and send the pic in the WhatsApp group. Okay kids, bye.